Naghahanap ka ba ng magandang bahay na may klimang Tagaytay? Ito na ang hinihintay mo. First Editions Batulaw. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Barangay Kailaway, Nasugbu, Batangas. Ang nearest landmarks, 5 minutes, Twin Lakes, Tagaytay proper, 15 to 25 minutes, Calaruega Church, 10 minutes, Nasugbu Beaches, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Ang First Park Editions Batulaw ay mayroong 4 na model unit, from single attached to single detached. We have Cartland na may lot area na 54 square meter, Charles na may 70 square meter, ang ating Christie na 90 square meter, at ang Corinne na single detached na may 120 square meter. Ang amenities dito ay clubhouse with swimming pool, basketball court, tree house, Wi-Fi node, bike park, play park,